Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing, installing, and testing out this Wolfbox X5 three-way dash cam system. Now this item was sent to me by Wolfbox to do this video, and you know me guys, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually test this thing out in real-world conditions and show you exactly how it performs. The first thing we need to do is get this out of the box. So I'm really excited about this product because I'm actually doing a series for a different YouTube channel, and that series will include footage of me driving. And so this three-way camera hopefully is going to be the ticket to get that inside the car footage. All right, so let's go ahead and look here. We got some instruction manuals and some little stickers and stuff like that. All right, we got our camera system here. All right, so it's got an interior camera here. This is your forward-facing camera. It can go backwards and move a little bit there. This is going to be sticking to the windshield or to something. We'll see how we'll apply it in my car. All right, let's see what else we get. This is the first time I've actually done a three-way camera. I've done a lot of dash cam systems with forward and reverse, but never a three-way before, so I'm really excited about doing this. Here we have another little camera right here. Okay, I think that's the rear camera. The power cord, this is to go to the rear camera. That's a pretty hefty cable there, my goodness. All right, so that's a really nice cable there. And what else we got in here? Some screen covers here, screen protectors, and some other little clips and glue plates and stuff here to hold it on, and an installation tool and a little cleaning cloth. All right guys, so that's everything that comes in the box. It has a micro SD card right here already installed. Let's see what it came with here. It came with a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. So that's a pretty big SD card there. Should record a lot of footage. All right, guys, so that's everything that comes in the box. The next step is install it in the car. I'll walk you through that process, and then we'll go out and get some real-life footage to show you how it looks. Guys, well, we've got it all installed. You saw how I did all that, and you know, I just want to show you what it looks like on the road here. Now it has voice commands. All right, so we have voice commands we can use. So we'll say start recording. Now it takes a little bit for it to respond, and it starts recording right there. Okay. Now you can actually connect the camera to a tablet or any kind of Wi-Fi accessible device here. So turn on Wi-Fi. So tell it turn on Wi-Fi. Okay. Now the Wi-Fi is on. Okay, and once Wi-Fi is on, open up the Wolfbox app, which you'll need to download and connect to it. And there we go. There we're on screen. Okay, you can control which screen you show. It's got split screen here. You can control which screens you see by hitting this little button here. You got front camera looking up there, rear camera, inside camera looking at me. Hey guys. All right. You got the rear camera. Okay. I love how this thing can connect to my big 10-inch screen here. I can see it so much better. All right, guys. Also, you can use voice commands to say stuff like show front camera, and it'll show the front camera. Show rear camera, it'll show that there. Okay. If you see an event that you want to lock, or like a file that you want to lock, you can say lock recording, and it will start locking. You see you won't see it here, but there's little lock symbol up here on screen. It shows that the recording is locked. Okay. You can stop recording by say stop recording, and then it will turn off recording. Right now it shows recording is paused, and then you can turn the recording back on by saying start recording, and now you see that it's starting to record again over here on. All right, guys, so I'm really impressed with the system. I mean, you know, I love this right here. It has the voice command. So you don't have to focus. You can keep your eyes on the road. Of course, me having this 10-inch tablet here just makes it a lot easier to use. All right, so let's run the front camera right here for you, and you can see that it's extremely wide. It sees both sides of the car, both sides of the road. It's a fisheye look, so it's very wide. You see everything, and the same thing is true for the rear camera. Again, very wide, seeing everything behind you. And of course, now the interior camera, you can see me, you can see the driver's seat, and so it's extremely wide angle. It's covering a lot of area, but it doesn't look tremendously distorted. It looks fairly natural, so I really enjoy how they did that. You know, if you're in a minivan, this is my wife's minivan, and you got kids in the back, you can see everything that's going on behind you inside the car, so you know, you can watch the interior. So guys, I'm just impressed with the quality all around, the functionality, and especially the Wi-Fi connectivity. This is a real game changer for me, because I do use this 10-inch tablet for navigation and stuff, and so it's already here. So guys, it's just a really neat camera. You saw how easy it was to install. Really not that hard. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.